12th math student, let us do some more problem from exercise 13.2. Chapter is probability. See question number 12. In this question it is given that a dice is tossed thrice. So a dice is tossed thrice means when you throw a dice 3 times, then total number of possible outcomes 6 cube, that is 216. So here you have to find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. So when you throw a dice, so odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, means there are 3 odd numbers in one throw. So getting odd numbers at least once. So for this here you have to find first not getting odd number in any time. So in first time when you throw, so not getting odd means getting even number 2, 4, 6. There are 3 even numbers. So there are 3 chances to happening of even number in first throw. In second throw again 3 chances getting even number. In third throw again there are 3 chances getting even number, means it may happen or appears 2 or 4 or 6. So not getting odd number in any times means getting even number in first, getting even number in second, getting even number in third. So 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. So E bar means not getting odd. Okay, now the not getting odd, its probability is PE bar. Why? Because let E is the event for getting odd number, to E bar not getting odd number. So PE bar E bar upon NS, to 27 upon 216. Now, so you will remember a formula. So PE, E means getting odd number, so PE is equal to 1 minus not getting odd in any time, means not getting odd in first time, not getting odd in third time, not getting odd in second time, third time. So 1 minus PE bar means getting odd number. तो not getting odd को 1 से माइनस करना है, तो वो मिल जाएगा getting odd number. You will remember. Okay. So 1 minus 27 by 216. That is after solving you will get 7 by 8. Now see question number 14. So what is 14? Probability of solving a specific problem independently by A and by B. So solving by A student, that is 1 by 2, solving by B is 1 by 3, means here PA is 1 by 2 and PB is 1 by 3. Here you have to find the probability when problem is solved. Problem is solved means solving by at least one of them, means solving by 1 or solving by second B or solving by both. So for this you have to apply कि when problem is solved means solving by at least one of them. So here solving by at least one of them is equal to 1 minus not solving by A and not solving by B. Here you will apply the formula when problem is solved is equal to 1 minus not solving by A means PA bar into not solving by B means PB bar. Okay, and PA bar is 1 minus PA, PB bar is 1 minus PB. Putting the value of PA and PB and solving it. Now its second part is exactly one of them. So exactly means A solving by A but not B, or B but not A. There are 2 cases, A but not B or B but not B, A. So adding both. So A but not B, PA intersection B bar is equal to PA into PB bar. Why? Because A and B bar both are independent. So PA into PB bar plus PB intersection A bar, that is PB into PA bar. Now putting the value of PA into PB bar or PB into PA bar. Okay, putting the value and simplify. Now see one more question. Question number 16. In a school, 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper, 40% read English newspaper, and 20% read both English and Hindi. A student is selected at random. So first part is find the probability that she read neither Hindi nor English. So neither Hindi nor English means PE complement intersection H complement. E for English, H for Hindi. So here PE complement intersection H complement means not E and not H. That is PE union H by formula whole complement, and it is also equal to 1 minus PE union H. 1 minus E union H is PE plus PH minus PE intersection H. But here given PH is 60 by 100, PE is 40 by 100, PH intersection is 20 by 100, putting the value. So second part is so student read English newspaper, but here second part is she read Hindi newspaper. Find the probability that she read English newspaper. So she read Hindi. So Hindi is occurred. Find the probability of reading English newspaper means PE by H. So PE by H is PE intersection H upon PH, putting the value. And third part is she read English newspaper. Find the probability of reading Hindi means PH by E. That is PH intersection E upon PE, putting the value. Values are given. Okay.